How to sync existing product listings to CustomCat. Once you've connected your store to your CustomCat account, it's easy to sync product listings that were not created with CustomCat. First, click My Products in the left navigation menu and select the store from the drop-down menu. Please note that page load time is dependent on the number of listings in your store. This will take the longest the first time you view your products. Here, you'll see all of your products listed, both those that were created within the CustomCat platform and those that were created elsewhere. To view only products that were not created within the CustomCat platform and have not been synced to our fulfillment, click the Not Synced tab. Products in this tab contain 0 variants that will be fulfilled by CustomCat. After you sync one or more variants, this product will be moved to the Synced tab. On the My Products page, your products will be listed with the most recently edited at the top of the page. Here, you see a summary of product information from your listing. To sync this product to CustomCat, click Update Fulfillment on the right side of the screen. From here, you can see all the variants in the listing, the mock-up images associated with each variant, list price, and whether that variant is synced to CustomCat for fulfillment. To sync your first variant, click Sync on the right side of the screen. This will bring you into our product catalog, where you can select any product for fulfillment of this listing. In this example, we're syncing a t-shirt listing, so we'll select a premium t-shirt from the CustomCat catalog. You'll notice that we display your original product mockup, color, and size information at the top of the product editor, just in case you forget which product variant you're modifying. Product color and size may be automatically selected if there is an exact match between the original and the CustomCat product variant names. Because we don't yet have access to your production art file, you'll need to add one here. To do so, click the Design tab. You can upload a design directly from your computer, or you can select one from your design library. After adding our design, we'll click Save Product to save our changes and return to the Product Fulfillment Details page. In order to apply the changes we made to all variants in the listing, we'll click the 3 dots below Resync, then select Sync to All Variants to apply your changes to every variant in the listing. If your original product and your newly selected product have matching variant color names, your variants will be synced automatically. Please review the variants for messages about syncs that may require more attention, such as those which do not have an exact color variant match. Please note that these changes will only affect fulfillment of your item and will not overwrite listing information. That's it. You've successfully synced your product to CustomCat fulfillment. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.